morning. This is Doña Reservation.
Ayun isang reservation.
I have your name and your address. May I know what are the date do you prepare for your reservation?
On September 12, 2025 at 8 p.m.
For how many?
Table for 2.
Where would you like to sit?
Near at the piano al fresco.
Prefer sir, smoking or not smoking?
Smoking.
Okay sir, may I put you on hold for a while to check the availability of your reservation. For your waiting list for the evening, we have an available grade 6 for you for your reservation. Do you have any special requests?
Yes, I can you do is with couple day for our anniversary.
Sir, we copy your request. I have your number please.
0997-563217.
May I repeat your reservation?
Yes, please.
Denver Mananili from by Power Canal Pampanga on September 12, 2025 at 8 p.m. Table for 2 near at Piano al Fresco, Manchester. Special request of Sweet Couple Week Anniversary. Your number is 0997563217. Yes. I inform you if you are late in 15 minutes, the restaurant will be cancelled your reservation. Is it okay with you?
Okay.
Thank you for calling Doña Remedios Restaurant. We are looking forward to see you on September 12 at 8 p.m. Have a nice day.